Okay guys, so it's part 4 now. And we discussed... What? No. I don't know. Alright guys, there's something there. Describe about strange monsters you've seen earlier. There's something there, what's this? I'm just gonna type. I'm gonna type. Ah! Shelter. I can't believe this, guys. Girl, don't go in there! Get in! Oh my god. Yes. Yes, you're right, Bob. Everyone goes up to go. Friend Lol. She is one of a kind. If she has a YouTube account and you know it and you know Lol, then go sub. If you haven't, because it would really mean a lot to her. Girl, don't go down there. I think you're supposed to go here. Oh no, because it's going to collapse and it will not. It'll collapse like down there and then it will collapse here. So I think we're safe. Lol. Hey guys, you know what I typed. Whoa, we just escaped. Yeah, we did. Well, it's getting very smoky. I'm getting scared. Guys, I wonder what is happening. Guys, come back for part 5 to see what happens.